I don't find mourning to be especially a good feeling until it's done. And then when you get to the other side of it, then you can see the beauty of it and you can appreciate it. But at the time, it doesn't feel good. Although I remember being up in the closet with you, a couple, and Shelly, yeah, the sisters up in the closet, just crying. We were all just crying. But at the same time, we were having one of the most spiritual experiences I think we've ever had. Yeah. And it was absolutely beautiful. And that part felt good and it felt significant, but it also didn't feel particularly great. But it was a time that I really appreciate being able to truly mourn with you. And I think that's part of what a family, we're put in these families to help support each other. We are supposed to help mourn with each other. We are supposed to help each other in ways that a family can, that are significant.